Looking for a fun and rewarding way to spend your time? Look no further. In this video, introducing an incredible free app that allows you to enjoy an extensive collection of games, watch captivating videos, and even complete surveys, all while earning valuable coins. These coins can then be redeemed for exciting real-life rewards such as PayPal Cash and gift cards. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I share incredible methods to make money online that can be done from anywhere in the world. Comment below with your country and I'll create specific videos tailored for your region. Now, let's get started. Imagine being able to turn your leisure time into tangible benefits. With Cash Forest app, you can do just that. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast looking for new challenges, a video lover searching for entertaining content, or someone who wants to make the most out of their spare time, Cash Forest app has something for everyone. Not only will you have a blast exploring a wide variety of games and videos, but you'll also have the opportunity to earn coins with every activity you complete. And the best part? These coins can be exchanged for real-life rewards that will enhance your everyday life. From treating yourself to online shopping sprees with gift cards to having extra cash in your pocket via PayPal, the possibilities are endless. Say goodbye to boring downtime and hello to an exciting world of entertainment and rewards. Download Cash Forest app today and start enjoying all the incredible features it has to offer. Join thousands of satisfied users who are already reaping the benefits of this amazing opportunity. Here are some key features of Cash Forest. Wide variety of games to choose from, including puzzles, arcade games, and more. Multiple levels and challenges that offer endless hours of fun and entertainment for gamers of all levels. Earn coins by playing games, watching videos, completing surveys, and more. Redeem your coins for PayPal Cash or gift cards from your favorite brands. Fun and engaging interface that makes earning money even more enjoyable. Referral program that lets you earn even more coins for inviting your friends to join the fun. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your free time into something truly valuable. Download Cash Forest app now and embark on an unforgettable journey filled with games, videos, surveys, and real-life rewards. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.